Everyone, my name is Shane Paxton, and I just want to say thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video today. I have a really cool piece of software that I want to share with you. Some of you may already have heard about the software that I've put on our Facebook group, but it's a really cool software. So what this video is going to be a demonstration of the software, but it's also going to be kind of a training video as well. So after you purchase the software, you get an email with your download and your license. So you will download the file. The download is you'll download a zip file called download. When you download that to the computer, you will need to extract that, and you'll have an open folder called download. Within that folder, you'll have a data file, your .exe file, a license, and lock or DLL. These all have to be in the same folder structure. Okay, so if it doesn't look like this, then you've extracted it wrong, but this is what it needs to look like. You will right click on Azon Builder and choose Run as Administrator, and that will open the software. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started and open the software and take a look. So I'm going to right click and click Run as Administrator and click Yes. You'll get a pop-up, and it's going to ask you to put in your email, your purchase email, and your license key. Your license key will be sent to you to your purchase email, okay, along with the software download. Okay, so once you put in your email and license, this is what the software will look like. Okay, so let's get started. What does the software do? Well, it creates Amazon affiliate sites, okay, based on some information that you will need to put into the software. Okay, this software is for basically beginners. It's an easy way to create Amazon affiliate sites. So if you're not familiar with working with WordPress or anything like that, the software will do almost everything for you and get you a Amazon affiliate site up and running. That's what it's designed to do. Okay, so let's go over the main setup, which is the first tab. It's going to ask you for some information. Your WP admin URL. Let's go over this particular bit of information. What you need to do is install a fresh WordPress on the domain that you want to use the software to build the site on. Okay, now you must install the WordPress within your cPanel. You can install it through any of your installers that your cPanel offers you. Okay, so you just need to install a fresh WordPress. Okay, this can't be you can't install a WordPress as part of a multi-site type deal. So if you are using a plugin like WP Empire, Empire is a multi-site plugin. So you have to install a fresh WordPress from your cPanel. Okay, so let me just show you what I mean. So basically what you would do is log into your cPanel account, and my hosting provider offers me Sofkulist to install WordPress. So I would click Sofkulist. Okay, and here's WordPress, and I would just click install. Okay, so you would just put in the information and install a fresh WordPress. You don't need to worry about selecting a theme or anything like that. All you need to do is just basically really all you need to do is put in a admin username and password. Okay, and then you can just click install. Once you install that, you're going to take your WP admin login URL that it gives you. Let's just go over an example real quick. Right here where it says choose domain, this is where you would choose the domain that you're putting the site on. Okay, if you're putting it on, make sure you take out the WP when you're putting it on a regular domain. This is a subdirectory, so if you don't want to put it in a subdirectory, you need to delete that. For this example though, I'm going to put it in a subdirectory because it's not going on a domain, okay, or a production domain. So I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to click install. Okay, all I need to do at this point is just right click and copy that link. Now I can go back to my software and I'm going to paste that link here. I'm going to take out the ending backslash. Very important that you take that out. There should be no ending slash. Okay, we're going to put in our username and password. Okay, now this is the homepage meta description. So this is your homepage description that should have your main keyword in the description. Okay, the site title. Okay, our site tagline. And our homepage meta keywords. So these are going to be your homepage keywords. So let's say we're building a site about watches. I would put watches, but these are going to be your homepage meta keywords. Now we're going to put in your Amazon affiliate ID, access key, and secret access key. Make sure that when you're pasting this information in that you're not leaving any spaces before or after the when you paste it in. Okay, so no spaces before or after. Now let's put in our About Us text. And I'm just putting in example information in, but your About Us text. Make sure to do a good About Us text. Now we're going to put in what we want our site admin email to be. Next, we're going to choose the affiliate program. I'm going to choose US. Now, our niche product keyword. This is going to be the main keyword or niche keyword that is going to be used to put products on your site. So let's use watches as an example. Let's say that we're building an Amazon affiliate site about watches. Okay, so watches would be our main core niche keyword. It's not really, not unless if you want your site to be only about women's watches, then women's watches would be your main product keyword. But let's say your site's going to be about watches for men, women, girls, boys. Your main niche keyword is going to be watches. You'll have other opportunities to make additional categories and put products in different categories or additional categories. But right now, this is what you need to put in to start the setup of your main core products for your site. So after you put that in, also keep in mind what you put in here is going to be used to create your main core category. So it's also going to create a category called watches. And again, at a later time, you'll have an opportunity to create new categories. Okay. Next, you're going to select the product category. I'm going to scroll down and select watches. Now, once you have all this information in, you can simply click on Start Site Setup, and it will go through and start building your site. So let's get started. We're going to click Start Site Setup. Now, you'll have a progress meter, so it's going to let you know exactly what the software is doing all the way through building your site. Now, also, if you would like to see what the software is doing, you can drag this down to reveal the browser. Okay, you don't need to do anything in the browser, but if you would like to just watch and see what the software is doing, you sure can do that. It's up to you. Okay, so let's go over what the software is doing. Well, it does many things. It basically gets your site set up ready with all of the recommended settings. Okay, so it's going to go in and delete the default post pages. It's going to set your permalinks. It's going to add all of your ping site URLs, which helps with traffic. It's going to do a bunch of different things to get your site ready. It's going to install all the recommended plugins for you. Okay, so you won't have to do that. It's pretty much going to do everything for you. It's a great software, and you'll see how it builds an affiliate site for you, and it's going to be based on watches. Now what I'll do is I'll put a list of everything that the software does for you below this video. Okay, so you can see that it installed all the recommended plugins for you, and it's going to activate and set those plugins up for you. It will also set your site up to be integrated with the ability to integrate with Spin Rewriter, so that you can spin your site and rewrite your product post. So basically right now it's building your site for you. It's doing all those things that usually take you a long time to do. So while that's working, let's go and take a look at our other settings. You have design settings, okay? So basically what this does is let you upload a header graphic, okay? You can upload a background, and you also have the option to upload a full-size background, okay? And it gives you a little bit of text down here to let you know what's going on with it. But that's what that allows you to do. Social allows you to upload or enter your Twitter username, Facebook, Pinterest, Google Plus, and your Reddit. This will add this information to your site. Security. This part will actually update the security settings on your site for you. Okay, so when you're ready to update security on your site, you just simply go to the security tab, put this information in, and click update security settings. The add additional core products. Right now, this is what we have. So what will happen is, let's say that after the site is completed, it's going to add products to your site for you. Let's say you want to add more products. All you have to do is go to add additional products and click here, and it will do 3 more runs of adding more products to your site. Now, I'm going to update this where it will allow you to create new categories and also post products to those particular categories that you created. This will be added on soon. Now, we're using a modified WordPress template for these sites, so you may recognize it, you may not, but it works really well, and we've been able to modify it to work and do what we want it to do. So that's why we're using the particular template, which you will see when the site is completed. Also, I kind of skipped over advertising. You can go to advertising tab and choose how many ads you want to show on your site. These can be AdSense or any kind of Amazon banner ad code, or whatever you like. So you can just put in the ad code here and choose how many you want to show, how many you want to show per page, and it will put the ad code in for you. So I'm going to let the software continue to build my site, and I'm going to pause the video here. And okay, so let's take a look at your new site. Okay, so this is the site that the software has created for you. This is a great site, and it does it all on complete autopilot, along with all of the other things that are listed below this video. The software does many things for you. And also, I'm going to go ahead and sell the software at an unbelievable price, or low price, that you can get right now and build as many Amazon affiliate sites as you like. And keep in mind, I'm also going to add new features to the software. And as soon as those features are added, when you start your software, it will let you know that an update is available. Let's take a look at one of the products. Here is the product. You can see that you have a smart Amazon search widget here, which is tied to your Amazon affiliate ID, social sharing, and even comments. You can also see that it automatically put an Amazon widget here on your home page, and again, which is tied to your Amazon affiliate ID. Your products will be filtered by popular, newest, highest price, and lowest price. Grab your copy of the software now by clicking the buy button below. You will automatically be sent an email with your download, which you can start using the software right away. Now, with this software, you're allowed to use it on 3 different computers, which means you're going to have 3 licenses, so you can activate your license or activate your software 3 different times. I hope you enjoy this software, and hope you enjoy the updates that are coming for the software. Thank you very much.